My dear students, welcome to my class on Tally Learning. And today I have a wonderful book with me. Here you have two questions. For first question, you have to prepare trial balance, capital, cash at bank, furniture, buildings, debtors, creditors, stock, bank overdraft, and bills payable are given. As you know, my dear students, you can prepare ledger accounts under multiple or single. You can go on entering the amounts. To view the trial balance, just go to main menu, select display option. There you can select trial balance so that it will display. The answer is 1,20,000, my dear student. Today you can practice it in the lab also. But my dear students, what is important is writing of journal entries is very important. Started business with 4 lakhs means cash account at to capital account. Purchased goods means purchases account at to cash account. You can copy the question. I will keep like this. Please copy it. Use the pause button to copy wherever required. First one is ledgers and trial balance. Second one is writing journal entries. Hope you copied. Goods sold to Ramu means Ramu is a debtor. Purchased goods from Suma means Suma is a creditor because she is supplying. Okay, paid tax by check means tax account attached to bank account. Here the answers also you have. Cash account attached to capital account means cash is coming. It's a receipt voucher. F6. Purchase to cash, payment voucher you can use. Cash to sales, again receipt voucher. Ramu to sales, F7 you can use. F7. Purchase to Suma, you can use F7. Suma to cash, payment voucher. Commission to cash, payment voucher. Taxes paid, payment voucher. Cash, contra entry. Furniture to bank, payment voucher. My dear students, after you write the journal entries, what you have to do is just go to main menu. Again select day book, you have to select under display. It will show whatever the entries that you made. We have to do this, my dear students. Very important problem. Whatever you do in the lab, that is very important. My dear student, don't get confused. In Tally ERP 9, we have 5 units. Unit number 1 is Introduction to Tally and Computerized Accounting and Company Creation, Ledger Creation and Group Creation. And unit number 2 is called as Inventory Masters. Means there you are going to learn about stock group, stock items, godown, stock categories and inventory vouchers. Don't get confused, my dear students. Unit number 3, now whatever you are doing, this is part of unit number 3. This is recording of day-to-day transactions. Means writing of journal entries. For writing the journal entries, you are using all the function keys like F5 payments, F6 receipts, F4 contra entry, F7 journal voucher. Journal voucher means when there is no cash receipt or cash payment, we use journal voucher. Like my dear students, repeatedly I am saying outstanding rent account at outstanding rent, depreciation on machinery, depreciation account at to machinery account, like this. When cash is coming, receipt voucher, F6 you have to use. Means, my dear students, listen carefully what I am saying. After you create a company, just go to ledgers, create the ledger accounts. Don't give the amounts. When you are creating under multiple, press Ctrl plus A to save. Okay, keep in mind, my dear students, for you only I am saying all these.